I bought this fluorescent magnifying lamp at Harbor Freight a long time ago. I don't think I paid that much. It's like 25 bucks. But the fluorescent bulb is starting to get a little bit weak, and I decided to upgrade it with an LED bulb. So I researched on Amazon and found this one from Solar USA with just a black and white wire on there. And here's what it looks like stock. You can see it's kind of getting a little bit black there. This is one of those T9 bulbs, and it looks like it's a direct fit. But they say to remove the ballast on this thing. So let's get going, and I'll show you my work here in a little time lapse. What I'm doing here is using some jumper wires to test the switch to make sure everything is good to go. Oh yeah. These bulb clips were a pain in the butt. I actually had to remove them and bend them so it would fit the narrower LED bulb in there. Alright, that shield lens right there, I decided not to use that, and I also went with crimp-on wire nuts instead of those screw-on wire nuts. These are the ones that crimp the wires together much better. And lastly, just gave it a good cleaning. Alright, now check this out. This is pretty cool. Alright, this is the good part. This is what I wanted it to do. More light, clear, and bright. This is the old ballast. I may use this for something else. It looks like it's 120 volts in, and I don't know what the voltage output is, but I may be able to do something with that. I'm going to hang on to that. And the bulb is still relatively good, too. Very nice. Give me some ideas here. I may come up with something. Nice. nice. Quick and easy mod. Alright, winner chicken dinner. You know, I forgot to take the power reading for that fluorescent bulb. It's about 15 watts with the fluorescent bulb, and this one is 8.4 and is much brighter and clear. Alright guys, hey, thanks for watching. I'll leave a link in the description below for this bulb if you have one of these Harbor Freight fluorescent work lights. And we'll see you next time. Shadow